Hey, I'm Caleb Johnson, chef and co-owner of Native. Today we'll be making black and white fettuccine. We have our basic pasta dough, which is just local eggs, flour, a little bit of olive oil and salt. And then for our black dough, it's a very similar thing, but we add a little bit of squid ink to get that deep black color. Now that our clams are steamed open, we're just going to go ahead and drop this pasta in. Like I said, this fresh pasta, very short cooking time. And while that's going on, we just want this sauce to thicken up a little bit so that it really clings to the pasta. We're going to season it up with a little bit of salt. Mount it with a little bit of butter, because nothing goes better with clams than butter. Give it a quick toss to let all those flavors come together. We're just going to top that off with an herb mix of parsley and scallion and some nice olive oil. Thanks for joining me. For more information, you can go to nativehomestyle.com. We're also on all social media platforms, or you can visit poconomountains.com. We're open Wednesday through Sunday for dinner.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Pocono Tourism YouTube channel and click the bell button below to be the first to watch new videos. You can also click the link on the screen to watch more episodes of Pocono Mountains Magazine.